My name's Cathy from 123Vietnamese.com. Welcome to Lesson 5, Check-in Hotel. Okay, Tony, this is the hotel. Many businessmen come to Vietnam are staying here.
Oh, this hotel is very nice. Who booked it?
Tôi đã đặt. Đặt mean book. Tôi đã đặt mean I book it. Đã before the verb to talk or actions in the past. Đã đặt means book.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Tôi đã đặt phòng.
Vâng, bạn tên gì?
Tôi tên Cathy.
Vâng,
I told to receptionist I book room. Phòng is mean room or rooms. So I said, tôi đã đặt phòng, which mean I book rooms.
I know you use that for that. So by using here you indicate you have booked rooms.
Yes, then she asked, bạn tên gì, which mean what is your name? Tên is name, and you already know gì is what. So, bạn tên gì means you name what, or what is your name?
Oh, so that is how to say what is your name in Vietnamese.
Yes, I reply, tôi tên Cathy, which mean my name's Cathy. Tôi tên is my name.
Tôi tên Tony.
xin chào Tony. Bạn có hộ chiếu không?
Do you have a passport, Tony?
Oh yes, I will get it now.
Hộ chiếu is for a passport. Bạn có hộ chiếu không? Mean, do you have a passport?
Okay, here it is.
Cảm ơn. Bao nhiêu phòng?
2 phòng.
Vâng,
There are 2 new words. Bao nhiêu and hai. Bao nhiêu is for how many or how much.
So when the receptionist said bao nhiêu phòng, she was asking how many rooms.
Yes, hai means 2 of something.
So you answered I phòng, which means 2 rooms.
Exactly.
7 ngày đúng không?
Đúng.
What did she ask there?
7 ngày, đúng không? 7 is 7 of something. I will tell you odd numbers on another occasions. Ngày is date or day. You already know đúng is correct and không at the end for my questions. So, 7 ngày đúng không is mean 7 days correct?
Okay, I understand it now. Bề, nhai, đúng, không means 7 days. Okay?
Đây là chìa khóa phòng.
Cảm ơn.
Are there keys to the rooms?
Yes, chìa khóa is key. So, chìa khóa phòng is room key. Là is new word for you. It's very common use in Vietnamese. Là means to be.
In English, to be has many different forms. I'm wondering whether it is simpler in Vietnamese.
Yes, it's very simple in Vietnamese. Bạn là is you are. Tôi là is I am. Anh ấy là is he. Cô ấy là is she. Họ là is they are. Đây means this. So, đây là means this is or these are. Kia means that. So, kia là it means that is or the ones. When receptionist says, đây là chìa khóa phòng, means these are room keys.
Okay, I think I understand it. I'll practice it all.
Cảm ơn.